Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to present about three types of fast multipliers, which are array, Wallace tree, and Vedic multiplier. This task asks us to analyze three types of fast multipliers and then compare it in terms of relevant metrics. Nowadays, digital circuits play a vital role while designing of digital signal processor, graphical system, FPGA or ASIC, and multimedia system. An increasing number of high-speed DSP applications need of high precision fixed or floating point multipliers suitable for VLSI implementation. A multiplier is an electronic circuit used in digital electronics to multiply two binary numbers, and it is used in ALU for binary multiplication of signed and unsigned number. The multiplication is the most fundamental operation in any arithmetic logic unit. Also, the multipliers will take much more time for execution, so the need for speed multiplier with accuracy is desired. The main purpose is to deal with high speed and lower power consumption even after decreasing the silicon area. The delay, area, and power consumption are the three most important design specifications a chip designer has to consider. An increase in speed always results in the use of more and complex hardware. One way to implement a faster multiplier circuit could be by using different multiplier algorithms. For example, both Wallace tree, array, Vedic, and Dada multipliers. In this video, I'm going to focus on array, Wallace tree, and Vedic multiplier. An efficient multiplier should have the following characteristics. In terms of accuracy, a good multiplier should give a correct result. Also, it should perform operation at high speed. In terms of area, a multiplier should occupy less number of slices and loads. A good multiplier should also consume less power. Multiplication process has three main steps. First, partial product generation, and then partial product reduction, and lastly, final addition. Array multiplier functions based on the add-shift algorithm. It multiplies two binary numbers by using an array of half and full adders. Add and shift operations are simultaneously executed while checking the bits of the multiplier, followed by the addition of partial products. This is a fast way of multiplying two numbers, since all it takes is the time for the signals to propagate through the gates that form the multiplication array. However, an array multiplier requires a large number of gates, and when compared with other multipliers, it consumes larger power and suffers from long delays. Let us consider two unsigned 4-bit numbers multiplication. An array multiplication is just a normal multiplication that we use. Each partial product consists of 4 product terms, and these are shifted to the left relative to the previous partial product. All these partial products are added to produce the 8-bit product. The first step is to form the partial product matrix, and this is obtained by adding the multiplicand and the multiplier bits. The first partial product is obtained by multiplying B0 with A3, A2, A1, and A0. The second partial product is formed by multiplying B1 with A3, A2, A1, and A0. Likewise for the third and the fourth partial products. So these partial products can be implemented with AND gates. To obtain final product, elements in columns are added using half adder for 2 bits and full adder for 3 bits. Any carries are carried on to the next column. A 4x4 array multiplier needs 16 AND gates, 4 half adders, and 8 full adders. Wallace tree multiplier is an efficient hardware circuit designed to achieve higher speeds of operation. It is a variant of the long multiplication method, and it also generates some partial products in parallel but improve critical path through the multiplier. Wallace tree reduces the number of partial products and use carry select adder for the addition of partial products. The Wallace tree is a tree of carry safe adders. A carry safe adder consists of full adders like the more familiar Ripple adders, but the carry output from each bit is brought out to form second result vector rather than being wired to the next more significant bit. The Wallace tree method of multiplication has 3 steps. First, each bit of the input is multiplied with each bit of the outer output. The number of partial products are reduced by half by using half and full adders, and lastly, the wires in the two inputs are grouped together and then added. To have a better understanding, here's an example of 4x4 Wallace tree multiplier. Suppose we have 1101 as the multiplicand and 1011 as the multiplier. The first step of multiplication process is generating partial product by multiplying the multiplicand with the LSB to the MSB of the multiplier. Here we have generated 4 partial products. Notice that the number of partial products is equal to the number of bits of the multiplier. This multiplication process will be implemented by the AND gate. The next step is the reduction of the partial product. In this step, we must group only 3 partial product and add them until there is only 2 partial product left. If there is only 1 bit in the column, we just bring it down. If 2 bit, we will add using a half adder, and here the sum of 0 plus 1 is 1 and the carry is 0. 1 is here and the carry is bring to the next stage. A full adder will be used to sum up the 3 bit. 1 plus 0 is 1 carry 0. 1 plus 1 plus 0 is 0 carry 1. 1 plus 0 is 1 carry 0. The remaining 0 will be bring down here. So this is what we call a carry safe adder, where the carry vector is safe to be combined with some later. The remaining partial product will be bring to the next stage. Since we still have 3 group of partial product, we must repeat the same process until it only has 2 partial product. The last step is a final product. When only 2 partial product left, we can get the final product by adding them together. This is done by using a fast adder and a ripple carry adder. This example is same as the previous example. A 4x4 Wallace tree multiplier needs 16 AND gates, 2 half adder and 4 full adder. Vedic multiplier is based on the Uddhava Brahma Sutra, which is the most efficient one in terms of speed among the 16 sutras. Hence, it is also referred as a UT multiplier. The UT Sutra applies to both division and multiplication. By incorporating the UT formula in the design of multipliers, high-speed digital system can be designed. Partial product generation and addition are done concurrently. This results in the reduction of delays incurred. Vedic multipliers of larger size can be constructed by duplicating 2 times 2 Vedic multipliers and adding the products using a ripple carry adder. This is the step for multiplying 4 times 4 Vedic multiplier. Using the same example, firstly we divide both number into 2 parts. Then, starting from the LSB of the multiplier, we multiply 0, 1 in the right group with 1, 1. Next, we multiply 1, 1 from the other group with 1, 1 of the multiplier. Next, using 1, 0 as multiplier, multiply it with 0, 1 of the other group. And lastly, multiply 1, 1 from the same group with 1, 0. To get the final addition, add all the 4 partial product together. In order to get the final product, 4 2 times 2 bit Vedic multiplier are shown in figure 3 and 3 4 bit ripple carry adders are used. Next is the comparison of array, Wallace tree and Vedic multiplier in terms of power, delay and FPGA utilization parameters in Mac unit. This is the comparison of total on-chip power and dynamic power in 8-bit Mac unit. It can be seen from the table that the static power consumption remains fairly the same for all the design. It can be understood that the Mac unit design using Vedic multiplier consume the less power. It is closely followed by Wallace multiplier and array multiplier, but array multiplier consume more power than the others. This is the comparison of delay incurred for 4, 8 and 16-bit Mac units. Based on the result, the Mac unit design using Vedic multiplier are the fastest. Array multiplier based Mac unit faces the longest delay among the 3 designs. Next is the comparison number of nets, leaf cells and LUTs required for a 16-bit Mac. It is clear that the Mac unit constructed using array multiplier requires the largest number of nets and leaf cells. However, it requires the less amount of lookup tables. Wallace tree and Vedic multiplier require almost the same number of leaf cells and nets. However, Vedic multiplier requires the largest number of lookup tables or LUTs. In conclusion, it is seen that Mac units designed using Vedic and Wallace multipliers have smaller delays and thus operate at higher speed. The Mac unit design using Vedic multiplier consumes the least dynamic power of all the other designs. However, it requires the largest number of lookup tables. Furthermore, it can be seen that it requires the less number of nets and leaf cells. Thus, Vedic multiplier design using UT Sutra is a better choice among Wallace tree and array multiplier. That's all from me. Thank you.